Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in the stable version of Google Chrome, if I want to install a website as a PWA, a progressive web app, this is currently what the menu looks like. It's just a simple small pop-up window, and you can click on install, follow the prompts and install a PWA for a website of your choice. Now, just a quick recap, PWAs are websites that you can install and use like regular desktop or mobile apps, as you may well know. Now, just to let you know that in Chrome Canary, which I have opened on my desktop, Google is working on a new PWA install dialog, which resembles more of a native Windows app install, which I actually think is a nice move in the right direction, and you'll see why. Now, like many other new features, it's hidden behind an experimental flag, and the flag is called Web App Install Dialog. So if we head into our experimental flags page, and I type in Web App, install, there we go. Web App Install Dialog enables the new Web App Install Dialog. Change it from default to enabled. Relaunch the browser to apply that flag. Head back to the said website you want to install as a PWA, a progressive web app. You will see now things are looking a lot more like how Windows installs an app. It says install app, access this site in a dedicated window on your computer, which I think is great. It gives the user a visual representation of what is actually happening. And if I click on next, I can choose add desktop shortcut or pin to taskbar. Got some options, and then you click on install, and that will install that as a web app on your device, which you can pin to your taskbar. You can access from the start menu and so on. So basically, as mentioned, you can use it like a regular desktop or mobile app. And I actually think this new install dialog is a nice move. I think it's visually appealing. You've got a visual representation in the image and also in the description of what is going on. You can also click on learn more. So for your average Joe, I think this is definitely a nice move. And once again, I don't see why this wouldn't make it down to stable. I think it's only a matter of time. And when that does, and I get knowledge of that, I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.